Imagine a world where machines can learn and make decisions just like humans. Sounds fascinating, right? However, have you ever contemplated the potential dangers this could bring? Welcome to a journey into the realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's a domain where science and technology converge to create intelligent machines. Machines that can comprehend, learn, and react much like us humans. The concept of AI is not new. It has been around since the mid-20th century, but it's only in recent decades that the true potential of AI has begun to unfold. AI is like a multifaceted gem. One facet shines with the promise of making our lives easier and more efficient. Think about it. It's AI that powers your virtual assistant, helping you organize your day. It's AI that recommends your next binge-worthy series or your favorite song. It's AI that assists doctors in diagnosing diseases, and it's AI that's driving the development of autonomous vehicles. But as we turn the gem to explore other facets, we encounter a side that's less glittering, a side that's shrouded in shadows. This is the main theme of our video today, the potential dangers of AI. You see, while AI has the potential to do a lot of good, it also has the potential to cause harm. How, you ask? Well, imagine an AI system that's not just capable of learning and making decisions, but also capable of outsmarting us. An AI system that could manipulate our behavior or infringe upon our privacy. An AI system that could be used to create deepfakes, spreading misinformation and chaos. Or an AI system that powers autonomous weapons, bringing a new dimension to warfare. As we stand at the dawn of AI, it's crucial that we understand these potential dangers. It's vital that we ask the right questions and seek the right answers. It's important that we explore how to harness the power of AI while ensuring it doesn't turn against us. In this video, we will delve into the dark side of artificial intelligence, a side less explored. Artificial intelligence is not just a concept, it's a reality that's already impacting our lives. Indeed, the power of AI is seen in many facets of our daily lives. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is omnipresent. It's also in our pockets, in the form of predictive text and facial recognition on our smartphones. In the medical field, AI is used to read radiology scans and detect diseases, often with greater accuracy than human doctors. It's even in the financial sector where AI systems aid in fraud detection. But let's not stop there. AI is also revolutionizing industries on a grand scale. It's driving autonomous vehicles, managing complex supply chains, and even predicting weather patterns with uncanny accuracy. The potential for AI is vast, and we're only scratching the surface. However, the power of AI is not just in its capabilities, but in its potential for misuse. It's a double-edged sword. The same technology that can detect diseases can also be used to create deepfakes, realistic, manipulated videos that can be nearly impossible to distinguish from the real thing. These deepfakes can be used to spread misinformation, with potentially dangerous consequences. Moreover, the AI that drives autonomous vehicles can also be programmed into autonomous weapons. These so-called killer robots can make life-and-death decisions without human intervention, raising serious ethical questions. And let's not forget about the immense data that AI algorithms require to function. With this comes issues of data privacy and security. AI systems can potentially access and analyze personal data on an unprecedented scale, leading to concerns about surveillance and data breaches. The power of AI is undeniable. It's transforming the world as we know it, bringing about unimaginable advancements. But this power is not without its risks. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, we must also consider the potential for misuse and the ethical dilemmas that come with it. As we marvel at the power of AI, let's not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. Let's delve into our first case study: deepfakes. These are hyper-realistic digital forgeries that use artificial intelligence to create false yet believable content. The name deepfake springs from deep learning, a type of AI, and fake, alluding to the counterfeit nature of the content. The process of creating deepfakes involves feeding an AI system vast amounts of data, typically images or videos of a certain person. The AI then learns to mimic and recreate that person's likeness with chilling accuracy. It can make them say or do things that they never actually said or did. To illustrate the potential dangers of deepfakes, let's spotlight a real-life instance. In 2023, a deepfake video was created of a prominent CEO announcing the bankruptcy of his multi-billion-dollar company. The video was so convincing that it led to a temporary stock market crash and caused significant financial losses before the hoax was uncovered. This instance not only highlights the potential for financial upheaval, but also the danger to personal reputations. Imagine having words put in your mouth that you never said, actions ascribed to you that you never did. The potential for character assassination and political manipulation is alarming. Moreover, the technology to create deepfakes is becoming increasingly accessible. It's no longer confined to those with extensive technical knowledge. Today, anyone with a good internet connection and a powerful computer can potentially create a deepfake. So, we have to ask ourselves, what happens when we can't trust what we see or hear? What happens when discerning reality from fabrication becomes almost impossible? The implications are far-reaching and potentially devastating. Deepfakes represent a new frontier in misinformation and manipulation. They challenge our perceptions of truth and reality in ways we're only just beginning to understand. In the wrong hands, deepfakes could lead to a catastrophic erosion of trust. Our second case study takes us into the realm of warfare and autonomous weapons. Autonomous weapons, also known as killer robots, represent a new frontier in military technology. They are systems capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention, using artificial intelligence to make their decisions. Picture a drone, hovering in the sky, scanning the landscape for enemies. Its strike isn't decided by a human operator miles away, but by its own onboard computer systems. Now let's delve into a real-life scenario to illustrate the potential dangers of these weapons. Imagine a conflict situation in a densely populated city. An autonomous drone identifies a gathering of individuals and, using its AI algorithms, it determines them to be enemy combatants based on their behavior and other data points. It launches an attack, resulting in casualties. But what if it's wrong? What if it misinterpreted the data, and those individuals were not enemy forces, but innocent civilians? This scenario highlights a key issue with autonomous weapons: the potential for errors and misjudgments. Unlike humans, machines lack the ability to understand context beyond their programming and datasets. They do not comprehend the value of human life or the ethical implications of their actions. They merely follow algorithms and make decisions based on probability and patterns. The potential for misuse of autonomous weapons is another significant concern. In the wrong hands, these weapons could be used to carry out atrocities with terrifying efficiency and scale. The absence of human oversight could lead to unaccountable acts of violence, further complicating the already complex landscape of warfare ethics. Furthermore, the rapid development and proliferation of these weapons could lead to an arms race, with nations scrambling to outdo each other in AI military technology. This could destabilize global peace and security as we know it. Clearly, while autonomous weapons can offer strategic advantages, they also pose significant risks. The application of AI in warfare raises profound ethical and moral questions that we, as a society, need to grapple with. In the heat of conflict, a machine's split-second decision could mean life or death. Our final case study revolves around something we all cherish: our privacy. In today's hyper-connected world, data is the new gold, and its miners are often artificial intelligence systems. These AI systems are used in data collection and analysis, gathering vast amounts of information about us, from the websites we browse, the products we buy, to even our physical location. It's important to note that not all data collection is malicious. AI helps businesses provide personalized experiences, and governments make informed decisions. However, the issue arises when the data collected is mishandled or misused, leading to violations of privacy. Let's consider a real-life case that occurred in 2021, involving the social media giant Facebook. A sophisticated AI was used to analyze and predict user behaviors, collecting not just public data, but also private messages and personal information. This data was then sold to third-party companies, including Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm. This led to a major data breach, affecting over 87 million users globally, and violating their privacy on an unprecedented scale. This instance serves as a harsh reminder of the potential dangers of AI in data collection and analysis. It emphasizes the need for stringent regulations to protect our privacy. We need to question the extent to which we allow AI systems to access our personal information and to what end this information can be used. In this digital age, the line between public and private is increasingly blurred. It's not just about avoiding unwanted advertisements or the eerie feeling of being watched. It's about protecting our fundamental human rights. Because once our data is out there, it's nearly impossible to take back. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives in countless ways, it also poses significant threats to our privacy. It's a double-edged sword that we need to wield with caution. In the digital age, your personal data could be just a hack away. So, how do we navigate this complex landscape? The answer lies in two powerful tools: ethics and regulation. These are the compass and map that can guide us through the treacherous terrain of artificial intelligence. Without these, we risk losing our way, falling prey to the potentially hazardous consequences of unchecked AI. Let's start with ethics. The development of AI should be guided by a firm ethical framework. This includes principles like transparency, accountability, and respect for human rights. Transparency means that AI systems should be understandable and explainable. We should be able to see how these systems make decisions. Accountability means that the developers and users of AI should be held responsible for the consequences of their technology. And respect for human rights means that AI should always be used in a way that respects our fundamental freedoms and dignity. Regulation is the other key element. AI is a powerful tool, and like all powerful tools, it needs to be regulated to ensure it is used responsibly. There are already several initiatives and proposals to regulate AI. One example is the European Union's proposed Artificial Intelligence Act, which sets strict standards for high-risk AI systems. Another example is the United Nations' ongoing work to create a global regulatory framework for autonomous weapons systems. These initiatives are a good start, but they are just that, a start. We need to continue to develop and refine our ethical and regulatory frameworks as AI technology evolves. These frameworks need to be flexible enough to adapt to new developments, but firm enough to ensure that AI is always used in a way that benefits humanity. In this complex landscape of AI, ethics and regulation are our safeguards. They are the tools we need to navigate the potential dangers and ensure that we harness the power of AI for the good of all. Regulation and ethical considerations could be our safeguard against the unchecked power of AI. As we've seen, the potential dangers of AI are real and pressing. Artificial intelligence, in all its glory and promise, also carries a shadow of risk that we must not overlook. In the realm of deepfakes, AI's ability to create hyper-realistic audio and video can lead us down a dangerous path. It blurs the lines between reality and fabrication, potentially disrupting our trust in media and communication. The stakes are high, as this technology could be weaponized to spread disinformation or even incite conflict on a global scale. Turning our attention to autonomous weapons, we realize another chilling application of AI. These self-governing machines, devoid of human empathy and judgment, could take warfare to a whole new level of devastation. The prospect of AI-powered drones making life-and-death decisions on the battlefield is a grim reminder of the potential misuse of this technology. On a more personal level, AI's impact on data privacy is equally troubling. As we've seen, AI systems can sift through vast amounts of personal data at unprecedented speeds, creating a privacy nightmare. The potential for misuse of this data, from targeted advertising to identity theft, is a stark reminder of the need for robust privacy regulations. Throughout these case studies, a common thread emerges: the importance of awareness and vigilance. As we embrace the benefits of AI, we must also remain keenly aware of these potential pitfalls. Critical thinking and informed discussions about AI and its implications are more crucial now than ever before. As we forge ahead, the ethical considerations and regulations surrounding AI will play a pivotal role in shaping our future. We need to strike a balance between harnessing the power of AI and preserving our core human values. As we continue to explore the limitless potential of AI, we must also be cognizant of the potential pitfalls. Our future may depend on it.